Morning, everybody. It's Monday. Eagles won the Super Bowl last night. Go Birds. Second time. We look to the sky today, and what do we see? That our illustrious president's executive order apparently didn't mean nothing. The sky is full of chemtrails, and we're supposed to be... Well, we are in flood watch until Wednesday night. Supposed to be severe flooding tonight, all day tomorrow, and the beginning of Wednesday. Sky is littered with chemtrails. It's horrible. Look at that sky. I know I don't get very many view angles up here doing this little blurb every morning, but that's gross.